Hello guys, my name is Omar. Welcome back to my channel once again. After taking the hiatus of almost 3 years, I'm back again. I remember last time I posted the video over here, it was about Samsung, some sort of Note series, and it has a major problem in its camera, and trust me, it still is with me and it still possesses that problem. Nothing could be done with that phone, so it is right there where it was. So now I'm back again with yet another video, and this time it's gonna be about iPhone 15 Pro Max. So technically I'm going to unbox the iPhone 15 Pro Max one more time. I unboxed it like a month and a half ago. This mobile, it was in blue, as you can see. Although I wanted natural titanium in the first place, but it was 50,000 rupees, Pakistani rupees expensive, only the color. The color was expensive here in Pakistan, so that's why I chose the blue one. But today I'm gonna unbox the natural titanium 256 gig phone. Now this one is from USA, designed by Apple in California, so made in China of course. So this one has one physical SIM and one eSIM. Same is the case with the blue one. Now the thing is, why do I need to unbox another phone when I have one already? So there is a problem, I need to tell you. So again, I'm back again with problems. So as you can see, I'm gonna unlock it, and there is a huge problem. Now, what kind of problem it might be? When I'm gonna show you the problem, you're gonna hold your head and how is that possible? So this is the thing happening to me right now. I'm in that situation. Whoever I showed this problem, he was he couldn't believe it. How is it happening? So what is the problem? As you can see on the screen right now, I have limited the charging optimization to 80%. This is another feature which was given in 17, iOS 17. So in 15 Pro Max, you can do multiple things with your charging. Optimized battery charging is there, which was already there. And now the new feature, it limits your charging to 80%. So that's what I did, because what Apple tells you that your battery should not be less than 20% and not more than 80%. When you charge it to 80%. They've been telling us long time before, but now what they have done, they have put the feature in it so that you can limit your charging to 80%. What it does actually, it enhances the lifespan of your battery. It protects it to lose the battery life. But another thing I'm going to show you, if you go to about section, journal, and then if you go to about, right at the end you have battery cycle count. So cycle count is only 37, and as you have already seen, my battery is already on 99%. How is that even possible? So there are a lot of theories. Let me tell you one thing before you think that I've charged it in the wrong way or with the charger which was not recommended. No, it's not like that. I have charged it with the iPhone 14 Pro Max charger, of course with the new braided cable which came with the 15 Pro Max. And I have never used it with any brand of power bank, never. Once I charge it in my car, but that charger is also a branded charger, and I don't think it could harm it in any way or so. But this is the only thing I can think of, but I'm not sure. So what do you think about this matter? You can just tell us in the comment box what might have gone wrong. Do let us know according to you. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna unbox the new one, and this time, like I told you, I got the natural titanium variant, the color, which I wanted in the first place. So what I'm gonna do, let's go and unbox it. So here we go guys, let's unbox it. And today, because last time the shopkeeper unboxed my phone, this time I'm gonna do it myself. So it's gonna be a first experience for me as well to unbox the phone like that. it was wrapped. It had a very thick layer. So just let's peel off this tag up there. It's very hard. I recently cut my nails, so here we go. There's one down here as well. Let me peel it off too. So 1, 2, 3, are you ready? Am I ready? Yes, sir, I am. Here we go. The beautiful, shining, natural titanium. As a matter of fact, let me grab the other one as well so I can show you the difference between both of them. So one is natural titanium, the other one is titanium blue. Now tell me which one you prefer. I'm definitely gonna go with the natural titanium. Wow, it feels cold, the natural titanium. So let's just take it out. So now just peel it off. Here we go. Let me turn it on and put it aside first, and then you know the procedure already, what you're gonna find in the box. Just another braided cable and the usual books and the literature which nobody reads. That's all we get in the box. Good old days, we used to have a charger in it, but now those days have gone, long gone. So here is the phone firing up for the first time. I'm gonna set it up later, but again, let's just this one has a protective sheet on it, so it might not look so shiny like this one because it is unprotected at the moment. No case, no sheet, no glass protector is there to protect its screen. So it is bone stock, you can say. So again, which color do you prefer? Trust me, this one also doesn't look so bad, but it's a newcomer, new arrival. So definitely everyone wants to go for the new color. It is the story of the life. Whenever iPhone launches a new color, first of all, it goes out of market. Nobody can get the early access. By the time later you start to get that in the market and buy it from there, but getting it early as soon as possible, it is really difficult. So guys, I got these two phones in my hand, as you can see. Okay, so definitely I'm gonna try this one, and now that I'm not in Saudi Arabia, I'm back in Pakistan, so I'm gonna keep an eye on the battery health and how it goes. I'm definitely gonna keep you posted about it, but it was that only 1% battery drop which forced me to buy another set of it. So the blue one, definitely I'm gonna sell it out, and so definitely I'm gonna keep you posted about how the battery life goes with the natural titanium. Hopefully this time it's gonna work out pretty good, and the way it already does. I'm gonna be telling you an interesting experience that I have with iPhones. I started using iPhones from XS Max, then I jumped on to 12 Pro Max. I use it for a whole year. I've been using my other YouTube videos on that phone, and for the whole year, after 1 year when I switched it to iPhone 13 Pro Max, trust me, I still had 100% battery health on that phone. I sold it out, I bought 13 Pro Max. 13 Pro Max, I've been using it for the whole year, shooting all the videos, outdoor videos for my two channels. You can see silver play buttons back there. These are from the other channels. So I've been working on those channels, shooting on that 13 Pro Max. And when I sold it and I switched on to 14 Pro Max, still that 13 Pro Max had 99% battery left in that. 13 Pro Max was a beast. And why did 1% battery health drop? Because at the very last moment I updated the software. So people were telling me, because you updated the software, that's why 1% battery dropped. So 14 Pro Max is another story. The worst battery in any iPhone till date. Why? Because after using it for say 9 or 10 months, my battery health dropped to 91%. And trust me, my charging habits are too good, and just buy the book, you can say. Like Apple says that don't let it go less than 20% and don't charge it above 80%. That was the routine I was following with the 12, 13, 14 Pro Max, but still 14 Pro Max couldn't manage, and it dropped. And it didn't happen to me only, it happened to every single owner of 14 Pro Max that I met. Their battery health was dropping drastically. So that was the case. Hopefully it's not gonna happen to my new 15 Pro Max, because the old one already had dropped 1% battery health in only 37 battery cycles. What a pity. But hopefully the new one won't drop it. Thank you so very much for tuning in and clicking on this video. What do you have to say about all this drama that I had? 1% battery drop in 1 month and only 1.5 months, and in only 37 battery cycles. Subscribe to the channel, and definitely I'm gonna keep you posted. Cheers. Have a good day.